Wagwan family, in this video, I share with you how I make this green banana porridge. So here I have a coconut, I crack it open. Now I'm going to cut up the coconut. Now I'm blending the coconut. I'm going to strain it off. So I squeeze out all the coconut milk from it. Here my pot have 2 cups of water. I'm just going to throw half of the coconut milk in there. Add bay leaves, cinnamon stick to the blender. I pour the rest of coconut milk. So I wash and cut up my banana and I blend it with the skin. The skin have a lot of iron in it, my people. Here, add some oatmeal, add some vanilla, cinnamon powder, nutmeg powder, some sea moss gel. Now I'm going to pour it in the pot and whisk it until it come thick. Now I'm going to pour my condensed milk, whisk it. Now I'm going to serve. And this whole thing take 30 minutes to cook, my people. Look at that. Enjoy. See you in the next one. Peace out.